There's quite a bit of shade over us, and yeah, the battery's 97, so that's good. Having steak tonight and potatoes and onion and some mushies, whatever else we find in the fridge. So just set a bit of a kitchen here now. We've got running water. There you go, running water, and we've got the awning up. Awning's good. We had some wind earlier on today. It sort of comes and goes. So that's my bed, and Simon's bed's over there. So let's go around to the car. Car's working well. We've got 74%, so the car's not doing so well because it's only got a small panel on it, but it's still going great, and drinks are still cold. So we're happy with where we are, and we're here for another 3 days. The fridge on this side, open that up. There's not much in there at the moment, so that's going great. Yeah, so the boxes have been working really well. Hasn't been any dust inside. The trailer, these little seals that we put on the trailer, little sort of felt strips, have worked well. I think a little bit of the dust has been coming into the trailer from these, when we shut the tailgate, there's some little gaps just down the bottom here. I think that's where the dust's been coming in. There's not much. So, and we've been in pretty dusty conditions. So anyway, we're going to sit down and enjoy the sunset, because the sunset is going to go down pretty much over there. We're not going to see the whole thing, but it's going to be nice. And then chill out, have dinner, and then go to bed. So that's us for tonight.